Hey, listen to this. Ooh, tell Charlie I said hi. Oh, that was good. Hey, listen to this. Wait a second, though. Wait a second. Wait. Wait. Oh, shit. I know how to find it if I fart. I'll be able to find my truck. Ooh. Hopefully my colon can fucking hold it. I expected a bigger fart. It is. Ooh, son of a deadly. Son of a bitch. Ooh, I sat on a duck. Hey, wait a second. Oh, I sat on a frog. So I can say, oops, I farted. Wait a second, speaking of English coming. Hey, listen to this. Oh, did you hear that? Oh, yeah. Check this out, though. No. Supply 67 times fucking 60. Oh, did you hear that? I'm gonna shit myself. Oh, oh. That was the one that made me feel bad yesterday. I can tell. Oh, I can smell. Sometimes nothing happens. Wait a second, something's happening. Oh. Naked yoga fart. Oh. Listen. Oh. Oh, I'm right here at the Walmart. Oh, did you hear that? Hey, listen to this. Oh. 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 One time I thought I was gonna get my ass kicked by a fucking method. Listen to this. They're fucking zombies. Oh, speaking of zombies. Yeah, every one I saw was like $600 and shit, $700. Oh man, I got a fart. Oh, where's that turtle king at? He would have liked that. Oh man, look, I gotta roll with it now for that one. Turtle King. Hey, listen to this. Oh, what y'all think of that shit right there? Ooh. Hey, listen here, guy. There's a guy just walked past me. I wonder if he can hear that. Listen to this. Ooh. Listen to this. Oh my god, this is a 2 month. If I bend down, I might fart. Oh my god. Oh, I did. Son of a bitch. Wait a second. I got it. Oh, I'm glad I didn't shit myself. Hey, listen. Oh! Oh. Oh, man. Wait a second. I got to fart again. Ooh, quack. That was a duck. Oh, shit. Speaking of Curtis Love. Oh. Wait a second. Listen. Oh, man. There was no muffle. There's no muffler. Hey, wait a second. Listen to this. Oh, you said an assist? Listen to this. Oh my goodness gracious. Listen to this. I want to do this. Yeah. Brown greetings. Wait a second. Wait a second. I got a weight loss injection for you. I just lost 15% of my weight, bitch. Oh my goodness. I got you quick. Oh. I got an egg tree I planted. Here. Oh my god, it's an egg tree. Wait a second. Wait. Oh, fuck, I got my own whistle. Oh, wait, here it comes. Oh, don't let me down, Bruce. Wait a second. I've got some signs to go over. Wait a second. Wait a second. Wait a second. Oh. I got something that's the best right here. Wait.
Hey, Meta, tell me about this artist.
Oh.
Should we touch it?
It is a Super Bowl Sunday. Oh.